Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe which can be used as a base for your black forest cake. A very moist and fluffy cake this. It goes very well for the black forest. It has got less choco content, so you may not call it as a chocolate cake this. But like I said, it is a very good cake when you make a black forest where it will be topped with a lot of whipped cream and fruits, so it suits best for a black forest cake. Before we go in detail about this video, let me first welcome everyone to Lathus Kitchen. If you're following us, if you like the recipe, do then share it with your social media network. Like the video, leave a like. Any questions, write into us in the comment section. How to make this cake? Keep your baking tray ready with greased and dusted. I'm using whole wheat, absolute no all-purpose flour, 1 cup, and just 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder goes in. Use good quality cocoa to get a very good base for your black forest. And 1 tablespoon of little less than 1 tablespoon. In fact, half a tablespoon should be good enough. Baking soda goes in. 1 tablespoon of baking soda is good for 1.5 cup of flour, but I'm using only 1 cup of wheat flour, so little more than half of a tablespoon of baking soda is good enough. Save it well and keep it aside. Now, wet ingredients: 1 by 3rd cup of oil, 3 by 4th cup of sugar, and 3 by 4th cup of good yogurt goes in, fresh yogurt, and 1 full tablespoon of lemon zest. I have not added anything other than lemon zest like lemon juice or vinegar. Just the lemon zest, fresh lemon, 1 full tablespoon. Give it a good whisk along with the oil, sugar, and the curd. I've used 1 by 4th cup of white sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. So that makes it 3 by 4th cup of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of vanilla essence goes in. All that, give it a nice whisk. If you're using powdered sugar, it's going to happen quick time. Since I'm not using powdered sugar, I'm whisking it little more with force so that it gets dissolved nicely. Now the dry ingredients goes in. Before I do this process, I have ensured that I have just went and preheated, made the setting on for the preheat for 10 minutes. After you do that, then come back and mix this by adding the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. This process will take 5 to 6 minutes. By the time your preheat should have been done, because once you add in the baking soda, you should not keep it for more time, the cake batter. Then transfer that to a nice greased baking tray. Ensure that you use a tray which will have more space for it to cook. Preheat at 200 degree for 10 minutes. I did the same and baked it at 200 degree for 35 minutes. Inserted the toothpick or knife. When it comes out clean, which means it is done, that's it. Like I said, it won't be too chocolatey, but a very good base for your black forest cake. So do give this recipe a try and do let me know how you liked it. Really a nice, moist, fluffy, lightly sweetish choco cake this. Thank you so much. You can have it as it is by sprinkling some toppings, or you can use it as a base for black forest. In my next video, maybe we can see how we can make a black forest. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for tuning into LathusKitchen.